Written and directed by.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Hey. That's funny.
Yeah, the computer's a little broken.
No, that's perfect.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be explaining to you guys about how birds are actually spies sent from the government.
Birds aren't real.
Yep, birds aren't real. Look, you gotta get it on this.
Birds aren't real.
Birds aren't real.
We work for the we work for
They're spies from the government. They sit on telephone and wires to charge.
They eavesdrop on you.
And they're always
They
spying on you.
are.
And one day birds will rise and kill all of us. Like that Hitchcock film.
So you better kill all the birds you see.
Yeah, stone them to death and then always wear bug spray because mosquitoes are also spies sent from the government to get blood samples.
Yeah.
The more you know. And then airplanes in the sky.
Look, doesn't the look quite accurate?
Oh, wow.
Cause I got a shot like that, and I got like a shot like that.
Yeah. Damn. 9 pages.
Yeah.
Synopsis. There's no way my feet smell rank.
Oh.
Do you smell?
No, I'm trying to. What?
I'm confused. Confusion.
I'm gonna give you access to this document. Very important. It's all about the birds and how they are bad for society and the government. So
They are bad for society.